You need to punch in the right settings into your system so as for YouTube to recommend your video to other persons. So now let's move on to my PC where I show you other things.
Alright guys, now we are on my system. So now this is my laptop interface, like my PC interface, my laptop. So in this one I said how to upload videos the right way so you can get more views, so YouTube can recommend your video more. So now if you're using a laptop, and mind you, I said you don't necessarily need a laptop to use this function. You might not even have a laptop. Do you understand? You might not have a laptop. So there's a video in the description that I taught you how to use your phone, and you use your YouTube Studio in a web version. So you see the video, the link will be in the description, and the video too will be in this video. So that way, if you don't have a laptop, you can also use your phone to do what I'm doing right now if you don't have a laptop. So let's move on. So let's say I want to upload a video. What is really the right way? How do you upload your videos so that YouTube would recommend the video the right way and you get the views that you deserve for your hard work? Okay, so as you can see my screen, you can see my mouse, right? So if I want to upload a video, I usually come here and I click on create. Do you see my right hand side? I click on create, upload videos. So it is either you click on select files and you just select the files from your PC or from your phone, or you just click on create, upload videos, then you open your folder, maybe the folder where you have the video you want to upload. So let me look for a video I'm going to use to test run this, a very short video. Let's see if I can find one. Yeah, this video is 90 seconds, so I can just put this video here. I will still delete it, and you see I just drag the video and it's uploading. As you can see under here, is uploading to 30%. That's how it's going to be uploading. My data is on. So what I really want to show you is the right way to upload. So if you notice, the title of my video is showing the dates that I made that video, because I have not given that video a title. Now, does this have a disadvantage? Yes, it does. So when you're uploading a video, or after making your video, you should give it a name that corresponds with what you are doing in the video. If you are teaching somebody how to play drums or something, give it a name that corresponds with that. Do you understand? Okay, so as you can see, mine is just having numbers. This is not okay, this is wrong. All right, so you make sure I'm going to clean all of this now and give it a name. But what I'm just saying is, before uploading your video, make sure you have named the video already. So let's say I just call this one how to act rich. You see, so this is like about finance. Let's say this channel is running on finance, or maybe music or something. So how to act rich. So now this is my title. So as you can see, this is my description. I've already this came automatically. I have not even typed anything in my description, and this came. How was I able to put? Because on YouTube you want to like tag as you can see, I said hashtag YouTube, hashtag SEO, hashtag monetization, hashtag YouTube grow, hashtag views. Now this, I'm adding this hashtag just because I want this channel to grow. That's why I'm adding it. So but I did not have to add it now that I'm uploading a video. The settings are already there, so I'll quickly take you to how I put this default settings. So if before now you wanted to write, let's go there first. So if before now you wanted to write your phone number, maybe your WhatsApp link, maybe you have a web page, maybe you have something else you do, and you are telling people go to the description, click on the link, go to the description, my phone number is there. If you are that kind of person, if that's what you do, I'll show you where you can save some of those things. So for now we are going to ignore, let's see how can we ignore this page. So let's just click on visibility. I want to ignore what I'm doing here. I'll click on that visibility. I'll save. So when I save, okay, let's just ignore that. I'll still delete it, so I'll ignore that. So what you want to do to get that default setting is you want to go to your settings. you want to go to your upload default. Do you see it? So upload default means I did not put for title because obviously all my videos will have their titles. Like all my videos will not have a random title that would cover for all of my videos. Do you get? So but for the description, I can even come here and write contact me 08. I can either put it as 081, or I use that WhatsApp code that usually says wa.me then you put / your phone number 08. No, you put 8147043284. That's my phone number. So this is like a link for those that want to reach me. So I just said contact me, so I can come here again and just click on enter, you see, and when I'll save it. So I'm going to go back and upload that video that I wanted to upload, and I'll make some of the corrections that I say we are supposed to make. So this is the video I want to upload here, right? So I'm going to rename it to how to act very rich. Let me just change the title, very rich. I've renamed it. Do you see? So now, which is the right thing to do, you make sure you rename your video first. So I'll click on create, upload, then I'll come here, I'll drag it. You see, I'll drag it here. If you don't want to drag, you can do it the other way. I'll drag the video here, and now let's say the video is already coming. You see, it came with the, oh, I made a mistake, I didn't add to, but it's okay, it came with the title already. So I can decide to add something to it. Maybe I wanted to add something like financial advice, or financial advisor, something like this, just to make the title look sweet. That's my title. This is my description. Remember, you see, contact me wa.me / you see, it's already here because I've already went to set the default settings. Do you understand? So here is your thumbnail. So normally when you're uploading with your phone, you will not get this option. You get some of this option, but you will not get majority of this, and that might really hinder the growth and how YouTube put out your video. Either you like it or not. Some persons argue that it does not affect. It does affect. That might hinder it. So this is my thumbnail. So let's say in your phone or in your PC you already have a thumbnail that you designed. Me, I usually, when I'm making content, I write them out first. I write my thumbnail, I create my thumbnail myself. If you want me to teach you how to create thumbnail, you can drop that in the comment section. Look down here, the video is still uploading while I'm doing other things. So I can just click on upload file. That is if I have a thumbnail. So let me just press or should I look for a file? Okay, let me just look for a random file and put there. Let's say my thumbnail is this, a random picture. This is my thumbnail. Let's say that's my thumbnail. So that, you know what thumbnail is now, that's what will show as your video is being displayed on YouTube. So playlist, you want to create playlist. I don't have a playlist before now, but you should create so that your channel, people can come to your channel and they'll click on your playlist and they want to stay to watch your video for long hours. So what you want to do now is you can give your playlist a title. Best. Okay, now this channel, what I do on this channel is how to maximize YouTube. So I can just type YouTube maximization. That's the title of the playlist. Then this description, for now I don't know, I can just put grow your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel. So I'm talking as a content creator now. Do you understand? Grow your YouTube channel. I'm talking on behalf of what this channel is for. So visibility is public, date published, newest, I'll create. So when I finish creating this playlist now, this video that I'm uploading, I cannot add it. Fail to create playlist. Try again. What happened? So when I finish creating now, this video that I just made, I can save it to the playlist. Why? On my playlist, I can save a lot of videos so that once somebody play one video from the playlist, YouTube can always recommend the other videos to them. I don't know why it's not working anymore. I'm connected to the internet. Public. What's going on? Create. Well, I don't want to lose this commands. Let me just click on, let me cancel it. So let's say I've created my playlist. I'll add that video to my playlist. That's what playlist means. So you come to your audience. My audience, I always put no, it is not made for kids, because the content I'm making are not for kids. On the phone interface, you will still see this, but there are some things that are hidden in the phone that you might not see, like this part that says show more. When I scroll down, I can say, because YouTube always advise that this is your altered content, make it no. They are kind of asking, read through. They say, does your video make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do, maybe using AI? Does your video alter footage of a real event or a place? Like, is your video corny? Is it fraudulent? Does your video generate a realistic looking scene that did not really occur? Something corny is not real. Maybe you tell them no. So mine is no. Then I scroll down. Then here you can tag your video. You can say, let me just put YouTube maximization. I can now put grow on YouTube and put comma grow on YouTube. When you put comma, it's going to tag. These are some of your tags. So what tags does is it's kind of help with the keyword. When somebody punch this on YouTube, maybe your title was finance, you can say how to grow your finance. YouTube will be able to push this video to the person. On your mobile, you will not really see this interface to use. So that's the difference. All right, so moving on. I usually skip all of this, but you see this part, it says education. So it depends on what your content is all about. In under my video, I taught you how to put it in the permanent setting. If you know this channel, you're going to be teaching food, just go and set it in permanent food. You get? But for my channel, it's for educational purposes, understood? So I left it in education. So for now, just leave all of this. The only ones we need are the ones I talked about. So you go to video element. So for video element, so now I'm done imputing my details. So for here, I'm supposed to go to my video element. I'm supposed to add an end screen, add cards, and all of those. So let's see, let me add cards for now. I'll show you how to add end screen in case you're uploading and this part of your video is not showing. So let's add card. So what is card? Card is some of those things that pop up on your video up when somebody is watching it. They kind of show somebody your old video and they're like, oh, watch. So I'll just go, okay, let me show you how I'm doing it. So when you click on cards, here, you click on add, just bring this arrow, you can direct it anywhere. So I usually like the video to play for some minutes before YouTube starts suggesting what I ask them to do. So here I'll click on plus, there's a video playlist channel. So video means when I click on video, they will show me all the videos on my channel. So maybe I want somebody to watch this video while watching this one I just uploaded. I'll click on it, so it's already there. So I can put up to 5, but I'll put only 3. So I'll take that arrow again, put it in so time, like the mid-view. I don't check the time, I just divide the video into 3. So I can click on video again and just put a random one, click this one again. So what am I doing this way? I'm promoting other videos on my channel. How am I doing that? So that when you finish watching this video now, because you will see this end screen and add cards, so that when you finish watching this video or before you finish watching this video, YouTube would already start recommending some of my video and they will tell you, watch this video, watch that video. Before you know, if my channel is very interesting, you are going to be glued to my channel. I'm telling you, you might not leave. It happens to me when I go to YouTube or Instagram. That I came to do something else, but because this person content is so sweet, I found myself watching and I'm glued to that channel. It gets to a level where I'm like, oh, it's too much. I go and save the person's channel. I remember their channel. You see, these are some of the settings you will not be able to access from your YouTube studio on your mobile phone. You can't, unless you use your mobile phone. You now change it to the web version and do all these settings the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to click on save. So I added just 3 videos. So my add end screen is not showing, which is the next thing that I would like to add. So for now, I will show you guys another way to add it in case you are not being given the option to do so here. So I'll go to my checks. So what checks mean is they are trying to check your video for copyright. Maybe you use somebody else's video in your video, or maybe you went to take somebody's video that is not yours. YouTube frown at you taking people's content. All right, So you should read up their rules, their guidelines, their community guidelines to know how and when to use or how to use reuse content, people's content. So I'll go to visibility. So majority of the time, my visibility, I leave it on unlisted. Why? So that you can give YouTube enough time to check the data that you have imputed into the system, so YouTube can take their time to push the video to the right people. But if you just publish it once, there's really nothing bad there. But I still like unlisted. You are giving YouTube the time to arrange the video so that whenever you are ready to post it. Unlisted means it's just there. Anybody that have the link can see the video, but the public cannot see it. Private means only you can see it. Public means you are putting it out there immediately. While schedule means I can say, okay, I want YouTube to show this video. I'll click on today is 28 or so. Maybe on the 30th, that's when I want this YouTube to go out there. Or maybe I'm going to work, I'm going to be so busy, I'll not have time to come out, change the video from unlisted to public. I can just schedule the video or schedule the video to January 30th. I'll just pick a random time, maybe in the morning, and you see, I can now click on schedule. You see, schedule. Once you click on schedule, the video will go on YouTube, but I want to use unlisted. So let's go back to, let's come here, unlisted. So when I come to unlisted, I will save the video. The video has not gone out yet though, but it's on YouTube. So I can always come to my left hand side, go to my content. You will see the video. You see the first mistake I made, the first one I uploaded, this is the second one. So you can easily change it from unlisted here by clicking on this arrow. You change it to private or public. So let's leave there. So what I want to do now is, okay, I want to delete this other one, this one that I made mistake. I can just click it here and I'll click on more actions, delete forever. I understand, delete forever. YouTube is going to delete that video because I just used that video as a demo for you guys to understand what I was trying to preach. Okay, so YouTube is still checking this video. As you can see, it's still checking restrictions, still checking. If there's a restriction, they will tell you there's a restriction on your video, and it's good to always keep it at unlisted so that you don't get the strike. So if there's a restriction on your video, you can either delete the video or you resolve the issues in the video. Maybe you mute a particular segment of somebody else's content that you use. So now let's go to one of my old videos and let me show you the end screen, I mean. So let's go to this video. We'll go to the details here, click on it. You go to the here, so you can come to your right hand side. You still see those options. Public, I've already published this one before. You see end screen and card. So let's click on end screen. I think my video has end screen already. Do you see there are some videos there? So I can just click on this video, and maybe I don't like the video that is here, this one. I can just click on it and click on delete. It's gone. I can now click on, you know what, let's delete everything that is here. So I will just do it from the top again. So now there's nothing here now, so I can just come and click on plus video, most recent, no, best for viewer, no. I want to choose the video I want to show at the end of my video. I'll click this one. I'll click on plus again, click video, do the same things, choose specific video, how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, this one has an error. I'll delete it. Let's just put another video. Okay, that was the same. I wanted to put the same video that we are using now. That's why I did not allow. Let's put this one. That's 2. I think I can put up to 4, so that at the end of my video, when somebody is watching it, all this video will pop up at the end of the video. That is the idea. So I have 3 is okay. Let's click save. So now what happens is, when somebody is watching this video, now at the end of the video, all those other videos that I've put the cards and the end screen, they are going to pop up. So let's say at the end of the day I put like 5 cards, 4 end screen. That's like 9 of my video. So there's no how somebody will be watching my video and they will not scroll down and see some of my videos. You know, when you're scrolling, have you experienced when you're watching people videos on YouTube, you're watching a particular video, but when you scroll down, you will still be seeing their videos. These are some of the settings that they put in place. These are some of the things you should do to your channel too. So I'm done with this, and I can just go back and so you see one video successfully deleted. That video I deleted just now. You see, I'm done. So I will come and delete this one later. Let me just leave it. So I'm done uploading. So these are some of the advantages of uploading your videos like this. And like I said, this video now, they are still checking it. So if this video has an issue, a copyright issue, I will see it before the video goes public, and I will not even post it at all. Because if that video has a restriction or is a copyrighted content and the owner of the video sees it, the owner of the video can report you to YouTube and ask YouTube to remove the video from your channel, which will give you a strike. Mind you, if you have 3 strikes, your YouTube channel is going to be deleted forever, and I know you don't want that for yourself, right? So that's why I'm passing this information to us. Like I always said before, I have another channel and I'm using this to kind of teach us some of the mistakes I make so you don't make it. And I'm also trying to grow this channel with some of these settings so you can see that all those things, they work. I have other channel also that I'm working on. I can also be using those ones to practice and show you the results. So it's not looking as if I'm telling you things and they are not working. As you can see now, as of today, this channel is really slow. We still have 19 subscribers, but let's see. People will still subscribe as long as I am consistent. They will subscribe. So I wanted to treat the way I'm treating this channel, treat your own channel that way, and you will get positive results. All right, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. Just drop a positive comment, say anything. Oh, this was useful. Oh, thank you for this class. Oh, thank you for this. It helps. It will help promote my video. Now pause. I just said this thing, right? This is something you can also say in your video when you finish uploading. Even if the video does not require you to talk, at the end of the video you can make an extra video of yourself talking like this. Hello everyone, my name is Judith. I teach you how to cook, I teach you how to write, I teach you how to solve mathematics, I teach you how to dance. Kindly subscribe, share this video, drop a positive comment. You see, you're already promoting your channel by yourself. So these are some of the things you should be doing. Don't be like me when I started. You just upload a video and you vanish. Who go watch your video when you post? Unless that video is a viral video, people no go watch them. All right, see you in another one.